Hi all. See this particular problem of differential equation or maybe the function, whatever maybe. It's obviously differential equation because we have a differential equation at the top, right? F dash standard relation between fx and f dash x and all that stuff. So you have to find the relation and which is true, false and all that, right? Always we have to choose the correct option for any MCQ type problem, right? And it came in 2016 advanced paper. So looks like that it's very difficult, right? Because it's an advanced paper. No, it's very simple, okay? So let's go ahead. We can say that this is an NCERT level problem actually. Let's go ahead and see that. So here it says that we are having it as f dash x is equal to 2 times 2 minus fx by x. So for simplicity, right, I just write down that let y is equal to fx. So then the given differential equation will be reduces to y dash is equal to 2 times of y by x. So if I do the cross multiplication, we'll go ahead as x to y dash plus y is equal to 2. Now the left hand side can easily be written as d dx of xy. That's equal to 2, okay? Now, how we write that? Otherwise, you take that in y by x form, find out that integrating factor because it's a linear differential equation. See that y dash equal to y plus x equal to 2, linear differential equation. But here we don't need to do that. Why? Because see that d dx of xy, so x into dy dx plus y d dx of x. So that's why already we get that, right? So if I now our job is to integrate. So that's why I'll write that integrating of d of xy is equal to 2 times of dx and integrated. So therefore, we'll get it as xy is equal to 2 times of x plus c. I just made a mistake. This is x is missing, okay? So therefore, it will be 2x squared divided by 2 plus c. So therefore, we'll get it as y as a function of x is equal to 2 get cancelled. So it will get it as x plus c by x. That's it. So that's it. So here you can see that here I made a small mistake when do the cross multiplication. So we added 2x. So therefore we go ahead. So if I integrate, we'll get it as 2x squared by 2 and so on. We'll get it yx equal to that. So we obtain the function x, right? So we can easily write down that my required function fx is equal to x plus c by x. Now also given condition is that f1 is not equal to 1. So that's imply that, let's calculate that. So 1 plus c is not equal to 1. So therefore it's observed that c is not equal to 0. So that's the important condition. So here c can take any values, but it will not be taking the value of 0, right? That's the given info. Now see that everywhere we are talking about either fx or f dash x, right? So obviously it's better to calculate the f dash x from here, right? So therefore we'll say that hence by differentiating, okay, f dash x is equal to 1 minus c by x square. And f dash of 1 by x will be definitely equal to 1 minus cx square. That's it. Now let's go ahead and test all the options one by one. So first go ahead and test the option A. We need to calculate limit x tends to 0 plus f dash of 1 by x. So therefore it will be equal to limit x tends to 0 plus 1 minus cx square, and that's definitely equal to 1. So therefore option A is the correct option. Go for option B. So option B says that limit x tends to 0 x into f of 1 by x. So let's calculate that. So limit x tends to 0 plus f1 by x. f1 by x will be this one, right? So if I write down that f1 by x now, so what will be that f1 by x? So let's calculate. So f1 by x will be definitely equal to 1 by x plus cx. Therefore, if I multiply x with that, right, we'll get it as 1 plus cx square. So now x tends to 0 plus. Now as x tends to 0 plus, right, so therefore it gives me 1, right? So that's it. So therefore this is final value is 1. Here it is given as 2. So therefore it's false. Go for the next one. See, x square f dash x. So let's go ahead. So limit x tends to 0 plus x square into f dash x. Sorry, f dash 1 by x. That's imply that limit x tends to 0 plus x square will be multiplied. So therefore, we will see that as x square 0 plus. So it will be x square minus c of x to the power 4. That's it. Because we calculated as x square into f dash x, right? So what is our f dash x? Sorry, it's f dash x, right? I wrote it wrongly, okay? Pardon me for that. So I just changed that. I see it as 1 by x. So f dash of x. So x square, if I multiply, I should multiply it here. So it became as x square minus c. Now as t tends to 0, it gives me as minus c. And it's definitely not equal to 0. So therefore, the option C is definitely a false option, right? That's it. Now go for the last one. See that it says if x is less than equal to plus minus 2. That's actually the given condition. Now see that, right? What about the function fx, right? Fx is equal to x plus c by x, right? So whatever the value of c is given, right? You can see that fx is a unbounded function. Why it is unbounded? You can easily find out from the range and domain. It's a real number domain, right? Except x equal to 0, right? So everywhere it will be defined, right? So it's always became a unbounded domain. So we'll say that unbounded range, right? So therefore we'll say that fx is an unbounded function. Why? Because we'll say that as the range of fx is definitely be a real number. So therefore, we'll say that the option D, that fx is lies between my plus 2 and minus 2 is impossible, not true. Because it's unbounded. Always also you can check it for that limit x tends to plus infinity or minus infinity fx. If it be plus infinity, you will get it as infinity. It is minus infinity, again it's infinity. So therefore it will be unbounded function. You can go ahead in that approach as well. So therefore in this particular problem, only one option is correct, that is option A, and remaining all are false. And that's it. So the main, obviously this part, and remaining it just we have to substitute and get it done. And that's it. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.